What is cryptocurrency, and why does everyone keep talking about it? At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or euro, it's not controlled by a government or central bank. Instead, cryptocurrencies run on something called blockchain technology, a decentralized system that allows people to send and receive money peer-to-peer without a middleman. That means no banks, no waiting days for a transfer, and no central authority deciding who gets access. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies with different purposes, from Ethereum, which powers smart contracts and apps, to stablecoins like USDC, which are pegged to the dollar. So why do people use it? Some use crypto to protect against inflation. Others use it for fast international payments, and many invest in it because they believe it's the future of money and finance. But it's not all upside. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, unregulated, and risky if you don't understand how they work. That's why we're here. Subscribe to Crypto 101 and check out our site for beginner guides, portfolio tips, and tools to help you grow with confidence. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.